are you? I'm you! You can't be me. You look like P. Diddy. What you say? You heard me? Hi, princess. Hey, leave her alone.
Leave me alone. You sick monster freak. Now, get out of here, you Diddy freak.
Yeah, you heard her. How did you get inside? I'm open that door while y'all sleep.
Why would you knock this time? You supposed to knock, not go in the without permission.
Yeah, why you do that? I'm sorry, but I knocked this time. Shut up. Just shut up. Can we be friends?
No, we never be your friend because you're not my type. You know why? Because you don't look like Sonic at all.
Yeah.
Stupid loser.
Yeah, that's right. I can run and jump at the same time, but not same hair, not same face as me.
I love Sonic more than you, because he better than you.
Well, do you love me too?
You. No, I don't just love you. I only love Sonic.
Yeah, she loved me. Now get the heck out of here.
Yeah, get lost.
And don't you ever come back.
Get out right now, or I kill you.
Or I punch you in the face. Okay, before I get out, I got...
Shut up, faker.
Shut up, faker.
Okay, I will get out.
That's what I thought.
Goodbye, loser.
Finally, he's gone.
2?
Want to go back to sleep?
Sure.